Okay, I think we are good to go. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Hope you are very okay. Let us start today's lesson. Uh, we are going to look at how you can definitely avoid being liquidated by pressing stop losses, and in this we will also share with you a strategy that you will use such that you avoid losing all your capital. I know most of you. Oh, Stefan, what is the problem? Just a minute. Why? Want to pin this? Okay, here we are. So, what I'm trying to mean, when you compare the signals we share and the performance, you can see that the winning rate is too high. The winning rate is too high. Now, the problem that we are having is one. We have failed to understand how can you protect that that profit after making it. How can you protect it? That is the challenge number one, and it is very, 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 very common, because there is no way how you can win 10 trades out of 11 and you lose one, and one take all the money inclusive the profit as well. Capital, profit, all is taken after losing just one trade. Yet you have been winning. You have been winning, but just one trade, it takes off all the money. That's what we need to avoid by applying the stop loss. Okay? And we are here today to share with you a strategy that you will be using to avoid that. Okay? Pay attention and be ready to learn. You can get where right, but the important one, it we must put in practice. We must put in practice. Don't just learn and just see like as if we are doing nothing. We are trying to protect your capital, and we are trying to give you strategies that can help you to keep winning. Are we together? So I'm going to share the screen. Then we pass through the strategy and how we are going to go about it, and later on we're gonna look at Loyalty, how we can place the same strategy as well, and how to place stop loss as well. Instead of losing all your capital, accept to lose small, maybe 0 point something or $1, and you protect the rest. Okay, it is better than losing all of your money. I think that one is clear. Okay, let me share screen. Okay, share screen. Okay. Let me hope my screen is on. Okay. Okay, as usual, let us first look at Bitcoin, how it is behaving, and we see where the market is supposed to go. Okay, last week, okay, that was our prediction, and I believe it was successful because we had predicted that we expect the market to move all the way from here to go back to this area to break the previous high. Okay, and whereby we can see the market moving all the way from the fair value gap, then crossing above the resistance, which was by then it was resistance. After closing above, it turned into the support. Then from there we can see the market passing through it, breaking the support, therefore again coming back to the fair value area. So currently what we are looking at the chart, okay, currently what we are seeing on the chart, let us look at it closely. Okay, now we can see that on chart we have what we call the Fibonacci, and when you look at it, the Bitcoin is in uptrend. Why? It's because we have 100 down, then 0 is up, and we all know that whenever 0 is up, automatically that is an uptrend. Therefore, what we expect, it was this coin to move all the way from here, from 0, then halfway to the 50 line. The 50 line of Fibonacci is here. You can be able to see it. Whenever market comes all the way from 0 to 50, then we expect a reaction from there, or we expect the market to change the direction. Okay, if it was dropping, automatically we expect the market to change the direction and move up, and that is what we are looking at. And another thing, if this candle keeps green like the way you are seeing it, automatically that will be a good pattern, because I can see it will be a morning star, whereby the morning star will help us to know that the market is going bullish. The market is going bullish. So that is what we expect. Let this candle close, then we see the next candle. I believe if this candle closes bullish, automatically we will see another bullish candle being formed. So that is it. And following the structure, market structure, let us first remove the indicators and we look at the structure. How is it? How is the structure? Now, when we look at the structure, automatically the market still is in uptrend, but because where we are, it is our previous high. It is the only high that we have. This was the high. Okay, so therefore, where we are here, we are at the resistance level. We are at the resistance level. Last week, we can see last week what happened here. Market closed above the resistance, but it never held from there. It failed to hold from there. That's why you can see the market again came back. You can see, then it closed below the line, which was the indication of showing that the market is trying to give up. But now we can see the hopes. We can see the hopes. Market went back into the resistance area. So we expect at least this candle to move all the way from where it is, then it can close above the resistance area. There it will be showing the momentum whereby we'll expect a good performance from other coins. So that is what we expect, unless otherwise, but we believe, we hope for the best if this candle continues moving up. So it will be a good indication. So that is what I expect from Bitcoin currently. I don't expect it to drop unless if this candle closes red, automatically it will drop. But if it closes green, we hope for the best, because it will have created a good pattern, which will be a morning star. Okay, so let us wait for that, for us to move on. Now, that one cannot stop us from trading automatically. When you do analysis on other coins and you see that they have capacity to move on, then we can take action and also move with them. So let me open another coin here. I think we're gonna look at the lower time frame, which will be 1 hour, and we are going to turn on our indicator, which is the smart money concept. So ladies and gentlemen, what we want to avoid is to lose most of the money. That is what we want to avoid from today. I know you have been trading without putting stop losses, but this time around, no. There's no way how you can be trading with 100 and you lose it all. 500, you lose it all, because you don't have stop losses. You have been winning, you have a successful trades, but just one trade is now taking all your money. It is unfortunate. Let us try to avoid that, such that we can keep winning. So first of all, we are going to focus on smart money concept. Okay, we are going to focus on smart money concept. If you are using your support and resistance, make sure your stop losses are tight, and we don't want you to put a stop loss where you are going to lose 50% of your capital. When you place a stop loss and you see that you had used $10, and where your stop loss is showing you that you are going to lose $5, that means it is not a good calculation. You will not succeed. It means if you lose 2 trades, then you are gone. So the losing ratio should be very, very, very small. Losing ratio should be very, very small. The way you can see that in our performance, all signals for features that we shared, at least they gave us 1%. Why can't you secure that 1%? Before you go further, secure that 1% first and wait for the 2% maybe. If not, you can definitely close everything after taking your 1%. Now this is the strategy that we will be following. Okay, now first of all, we will be on 1 hour. 1 hour, I repeat, 1 hour is what we will follow. Okay, let me consider the short one. Okay, this is the coin called Cake. Cake created a block which is bearish block at the top here. This block was created after Cake moved all the way from here to this point. To this point. That's when this block was created. After creating this block, what you will need to wait is, you need to wait for this market to go back into this zone, which is retesting. We call it retesting. The market will be retesting the zone. This change of character is not necessary, because where it is happening, it is not necessary surely, because we say we talked about it, that for us to consider this change of character, it must be nearby discount level. But where we are seeing it now, there is no discount level anywhere. Therefore, this change of character, we cannot compare that one. We cannot consider that, and we trade. That is the fact. Okay? Therefore, this was the best one to consider. This one we are seeing here. The change of character, which is red. Because market was in uptrend, first of all. It was in uptrend. Now, it was now trying to show you that it is now trying to give up on uptrend. It is trying to change the character, whereby after this change of character, the market will always have to go back. While it is going back, it is targeting some blocks where we had this one. Now, when we come back into this area, what you need to do, it is to press. You can preset, or you can wait for market to go there, and you press the trade automatically by buying the current price. Now, what you will do, you are going to enter here, and your stop loss must be above this block for you to keep your capital safe. Your stop loss must be above this block, because we don't expect this coin to come and break this block. But if it happens, therefore, you allow to lose little money than losing all the money. Do you know that if you don't put stop loss here, and if this market continues moving up like this, you can end up losing all the money? Now this is 12%. From here to here, you will be out completely. Instead of losing all your 500 because of one trade, my dear friend, allow to lose $2 according to the capital you are using, $1, but following this strategy. Okay, I'm going to show you. We are going to short the market. We are entering short here. When you enter short, then reduce this red one for stop loss, this one. Reduce it to the top. At the top of what? You will just reduce it to the top of the block. Are we together? When you click on it like this, at this side, on your right hand side, the numbers that you are seeing in red, that is the stop loss price. Hey, have you copied that? If you click on this measurement tool, here it is showing your stop loss price. It is 3.723. That is your stop loss. Now the question comes in, where is your take profit? I can see that the stop loss, it is at 2.7, 2.2, rather 2.5, 2.7, around there. Where is your stop loss? Following the market structure, the take profit should be here. Are we all seeing there? Are you all seeing there where I have marked? It is where your take profit should be. But to avoid taking long in the market, you can definitely decide to take a small percentage, such that you get out. Such that you do what? You get out. Now we said 1% is always having high chances to get out as quick as possible. According to the leverage you will use. According to the leverage you will use. If you use 3x, 1% will be representing 3%. If you use 5x, the 1% will be representing 5%. If you use 10x, the 1% will be representing $10, rather 10%. But your stop loss is here. Instead of losing all the money, please, you better protect, have your stop loss, put your take profits. Okay? You had a right at this point. You had a right to take your profit at this point, which was around 6%. You had a right to take any percentage before hitting this level. But to protect your money and to be safe, you either focus on 1%. After hitting it, shift your stop loss, put it at entry price. We can all identify where the entry price is. It is always there in Royal True. I think we understood this. We said wait for the market to go back to the bearish area and let that market respect that area with the red candle. The next part is you to enter the trade. Stop loss must be above the block. You either follow the structure or you take your 1%. We said following the structure, this was our take profit here at this point, because automatically after forming what you call the change of character, the market will go back. Then when it is coming back, it is looking at this point to break it, because this was a starting journey of downtrend. Of what? Of downtrend. So since this was a first lower low, we are expecting this market to form another lower low, which was formed here. And by forming it here, it was testing the fair value gap. The fair value gap. So we are expecting this market to react positively. To react positively. Now, when you look at where the market is currently at this point, we have a block here which was created, and we have a market within a block. What are you waiting? Someone can ask me, please, can we enter? No. No, we cannot enter there. We are waiting for another red candle. We are waiting for red candle, not green. Let this green close, let red one close, you enter. Stop loss yo, wagurua block. Take profit over 1%, any that you want, but make sure you have a stop loss. I repeat, stop loss must be there. If not, you will lose everything you have. Slowly. And you find yourself having nothing. I've received many people in my inbox saying, you know what, I had 600, all was gone. I had 1,000, all was gone. Why? Because we never had a stop losses. Let us be patient. Wait for confirmation, enter a clear trade. Don't panic and put the stop loss. This was concerning about shorting the market. Shorting the market. Let me show you. Let me see whether I will get it. Let me see whether I will get it. And I show you what we want. Oh, why are you not loading? Please, come on. Okay. So we are here. Oh, we did load. Let me first load it here. It's okay, then I show you. As if it is not loaded. Who is putting on microphone? Yeah, good. Can I send it again? Let me try to send it again. No worries. So I want to show you something here, but it is not coming in. Okay. Again, send it. Maybe let me send it to one group. Okay. Let me see whether it will open. Oh, this one is still loading. That's why it is not opening. It is still at 38, 32%. Whew. What can we do? It is not loading. We have to wait for it. Just a minute. Let it load. Because you have to compare your winning rate. Compare your winning rate and losing rate. Oh my God. It's taking long, but I don't know why it is not opening. Taking long to open. Okay, as it is opening, maybe let us be looking at other things as it is opening. It is taking long, but nothing to do. Let's go for other things. I said this one cake we are waiting for a red candle such that we can confirm that the market has respected the block. Are we together? Let me hope you have picked that. Let us look for the one which is for long. Let's get one that can give us a long position. This one. Too many.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Since we are waiting for the cake to make a ready withdraw, the countdown is how much here?
Which countdown? Countdown for candle?
Yes.
The countdown, of course, when you are on 1 hour, the candle is representing 1 hour. Therefore, the countdown here, it is 23 minutes to go for this candle to close. Okay? 23 minutes for this candle to close. So it is the same on the cake, this coin called the cake. We are waiting 23 minutes for this candle to close, and we see the next candle will give us the confirmation. Don't just enter when the market is just tapping into that area, wait for confirmation. But make sure everyone, you are having a trading view, you are having a smart money concept. That is the fact. Minus that, there is no way how you will win. Now let us consider this now. While you are trading the long position, longing the market. Now this is it. This block was created here when the market was around here. Here, market was here, then it created the block. For you, you were waiting for this market to come back into this block and you trade. To come back into this block and you trade. Now, we can see the market coming back into the block. This is where you enter from. Now we are longing the market. Long position. We are entering here. After the red had closed, after the red closed, then you can see the green candle. After closing, your stop loss is below the block. Your take profit is 1%. Put it there. Or 2%. We said it is ranging from 1 to 2. But mostly, if you want a winning ones, keep taking your 1%. You will always win. Can you be able to do this? The stop loss number is here. When you click on your measurement like this, it will put for you the stop loss. This side, it is in red. Now here it is 222.6.26. That is the stop loss. Make sure you put it there in row 2 to avoid your losing money. This market can simply come and break this block and drop up to here. That means if you accept to keep in the market without stop loss, the market can drop to here, then you can lose all this percentage. This is 4%. But here, it is just 1.4%. The loss of 4% and the loss of 1%, they cannot be the same. Are we getting a point? They cannot be the same. Let us check again whether it is already there. Ooh, good. When we go, it stopped. I don't know. But it is very, very necessary to look at this. To look at this chart, but it is not opening up. I don't know. It is not opening up. What is the problem? Oh, God. Or maybe I will use phone to show you. Maybe I will use phone to show you, as if this one is failing completely. And the loading is loading slowly. It's not too quick. It is at 76. Let's go to another example as we are waiting for it, because we have to look at it. The same here. The same here. Time frame 1 hour if you are trading features. Time frame 1 hour if you are trading features. I repeat, I normally see Kim trading on 5 minutes. Kim, you are finished. Now, if you are confused on testing the block, then don't trade. Like here now, market never tested the block. If you are confused, don't trade. Here, market never tested the block. Only for risk takers, they could trade. Now, when we come here, we can see market forming a fair value gap plus another block. Meaning here, we have a fair value gap and block. Market created this block when it was around here. Okay? Then it came back into the what? The block. There you what? You do enter. Long position. Enter there. Stop loss yo. Once you are block. Take profit yo. 1%. Anywhere. It is very near. Here. In the day you can even take more than 4 trades. Targeting 1%. Looking at 1 time hour chart. If you want 2%, then it is okay. But if you want 2%, make sure when this market goes into 1% profit, shift your stop loss from where it was to the current to the entry price. Do you get that if I say that? Do you get that? If I say shifting your stop loss from maybe, for example, this one, from 0.003 to entry price which was 0.00355. 55 it was the entry. Then 0.003027 it is stop loss. So you can still change your stop loss from 27 to 55 because the running trade is already in profit. Are you getting the point? In that, when this market comes back on your entry price, it will knock you down. It will knock you out. You wanted 2%. It failed to reach us 2%. It was in 1%. That's why you shifted your stop loss. And therefore, at this point, you don't want to lose anything. But you wanted 2%, but it failed to go there. Therefore, you accept to lose nothing instead of losing your money. Have you copied that? If you want 2% and the market goes to 1%, shift your stop loss to entry price. Is that one also hard? Is that one also very hard? I don't think so. It is very hard. It is not hard. Maybe if you make it hard. But these photos have failed completely to download. I don't
Coach,
know.
I have a question.
I don't know. I don't know.
Coach, I have a question.
What is the question?
Okay. I'm just a little bit confused now. When we're talking about stop loss and trading futures, is there a place if we're using Royal Q to trade futures? Is there a place to put the stop loss? Or we're talking about putting stop loss?
Group?
Yes, I am.
Then what are you doing there?
Yes, I am. Coach, you want me to cry this morning? I'm learning.
In the morning on how to set a stop loss. I attached the word how to set a stop loss on Royal Q. Now, if you read if you look at that video and you see the word that attached on that video, what comes into your mind? So you want to also come in your inbox and say, you know what? This is how they put stop loss.
Okay. I didn't know a video was posted. I will check it.
Okay, it is there. You check. And again, I will show you. Okay, don't mind. Okay, now this is what I wanted here, guys. This is the details of performance. Starting from 7th September, eh? Can you see where you are seeing green? That is a win. How many reds are you seeing there? The whole mass. How many reds are you seeing there?
Only 4.
Only 4.
Yes.
Now, how can you lose all your capital you are trading with after losing only 4 and your winning rate is 26? Now, are you for real? You see that the winning rate, whenever you win, the winning rate is more than the losing rate. There is no way how you can win 26 times in the month. You lose 4 trades and your account is empty. That means you're not serious. You just press your trades, you go to the garden without stop loss. That is it. That's how I can identify you. You normally press a trade, you go to garden. No stop loss. You will say God knows. You will lose automatically. This is what I want us to focus at. Win, then loss. Win, then loss. And loss should be very, very small. That is what you are supposed to do. But without putting your stop losses, my dear friend, you will just get one loss and you will lose your money. Or, and most of you forget even to change from cross to isolated. And when the trade is on cross, you end up losing everything. Even the money that was on balance, it will be taken. But do you think you take action? You are not taking action. That's why you are losing your money. And trust me, while you are trading features, you must allow some losses, whether you like it or not. There is losses, but you have to do what? To calculate well. The winning rate must be greater than the losing rate. 90% times. Okay? But otherwise, without stop loss, my dear friends, losing is for real. Eh? You will definitely lose. Maybe you go to sport. Maybe you go to sports trading. But here on features, you want quick money, accept small losses and win big. Are we together? Have you understood the strategy? Or you are still lost? Have you understood the strategy? Someone is saying what? We get one trade. Someone is saying what? Hope you are seeing that entry here. This was a good entry for short. And you are out. Stop loss at the top here. I'm looking for signal. Let me get one and we'll trade it together. But I don't know because we still have 8 minutes for candle to close. We still have 8 minutes. Now are you looking at this? This is a block number 1. It was respected. I told you wait for green, for red candle. It was respected. This is block number 2 and we are seeing the market testing it. So you still have 1 hour to confirm whether we are shorting this or not. Am I clear? The stop loss should be here. Are we clear? If we enter from here, then stop loss here. Don't worry. Target your 1%. Whether 2%. Nah, hey. Stop loss must be tight. Are we getting the point? Or you are still lost again? We said let the market come back and test the block for the first time. And let the red candle close. We want a red candle, not trading while the green candle is still moving. It will break the block and the broker will disappear and they will definitely hit your stop loss. Is the strategy hard? How many are picking it? How many are picking the strategy? Out of 45 members. So I'm going to show you how to place it on Royalchu, okay? I'm going to show you how to place it on Royalchu. Hey, I don't want you to get lost. Now, I will try with this coin. I will try, then I will show you where to put stop loss. Now I will stop loss. I will put it here at 0 point. Okay. So let's go. I'm going to how am I going to do it? I'm going to stop sharing with this laptop, then I join with phone. I show you with phone, okay? Just a minute. I show you. I show you. Okay. Okay. I share screen. Are you all seeing my screen? My screen?
The
No,
skin is burning.
It is coming.
it is burning.
No, it's not.
Okay, so
We
from
can
there,
see it
let
now.
us go to Royalchu. Let us open it. The coin is called CFX, not so? So, when you come to your Royalchu, you will come here on features. You come here, you search. What is the coin? It is called CFX. Ah, it is not there. My God. CFX is not there. Walai. That coin is not there. That means we have to look for another one. See? Let us get another one, which is there. And I think, let me get any. But I want the one with block. Okay, the one with block. Where are you? The one with block. Let me use this as a long position. Let us assume I wanted to trade this one, okay? I'm saying this one while you are not seeing it. As if you are not seeing it. Okay, I'm trying to mean this. Are you seeing it? Hope you are seeing it. Okay, let us assume that we wanted to trade a long position entering here. We said let the red close and we look at the green one if we are longing the market. Now the stop loss must be down here. Then our take profit, we are looking at 2% or 1%. You see that 1% is always at sure deal. Okay, I'm going to just press this one as an example. Okay, let's go. Let me go there. I stop sharing with this, then I share with this. Pay attention and just learn that the coin is called MANA. Kali, let me see whether it is there as well. Okay, this one is there, I think. Oh, It's also not there. My God, what's wrong? Most of the coins, you are not there. You don't want us to make money or what? What is the problem with them? This time I think I will not miss out. I will make sure I get the one which let me go with this now. Let me go with this, but this one is a bit far. The stop loss will be too much. I want the one which is nearby the block, and we consider the loss and the take profit. Which one? Okay, my God. Sheep, are you having some work? Avax, work and 0. World coin, are you having work? Do we have world coin here? Let me first check before we. Okay, world coin, we have it. But this one, it is testing the block for the second time. It's tested it here.
Okay, Jupe.
Jupe, eh?
Eh.
Thank you. Jupe. Jupe, it is under which list here? Jupe. Jupiter.
Yeah, at 15 minutes, sorry.
You're at 15. It is okay. I will use it. Just we want example. Nothing else. Want example. Good. Now on 15 minutes, we have 2 blocks there. And now which one can we consider? Since we have 2 blocks, so our entry was supposed to be there immediately after closing with that red, not so? Then stop loss, we are going to put it here. Yes. Then our target, that is it. We are expecting the market to go back to the block again. Now I'm going to use that. Let us use that because we don't have time. So I'm sharing screen. Okay. Let us consider that. Let me believe also it is there. Okay. So this is it. Jupiter is there. So we open it. We click I understand. Click create. Click I understand. Then come here. We are shorting the market. Click short. When you click short, the short will be in the same color with entire screen. Now we are shorting the market. And we click trade settings. Then manually create. Then we come here. So I have 11 coins of Jupiter, which is giving me $5, whereby $5 is affected by leverage, whereby now currently the leverage is 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my leverage, which is 3. Okay, make sure you put off these ones. Now if I use 3, now I want to use only $5. Okay, $5. I have to make sure that this number which is here, which is 5, when I get the number which will be there, I divide by 3, I get 5. Which number will be that? It is 15. 15 divided by 3, I get 5. Are we clear? So what I will do, get your 11. Simple. Get 11 divided by 5, you get 2.2. 2.2 times your leverage, which is 3. Are we still together? 3, after getting the answer, times what is your first buy? 3 was leverage. The first buy that you want to use is how much? $5. I will put 5. If I want to use 5. If I want to use 10, I will put 10 here. then the number that you will get here, it is the number that I will get and put it here on first buy. Are we together? Is that one also hard? I got 33. You see now, the number is 15 that I wanted. So meaning the 15, when I get 15 divided by 3, I get $5. This is the number of dollars that I will use, not 15. 15, it is there because of the leverage, but in actual sense your money is only $5. Hope you are getting it. Okay, now from there I'm going to put my one margin, then I'm taking 1%. The rest as usual 0.03 something like that. I don't want to buy margin call, remember, so I will put here big percentage like 80, such that I don't buy. Okay, now the rest are okay. My take profit is there, my first buy is there, then I click save. When I click save, I will first check here at the top, is everything set or not? I'm seeing cycle. It shouldn't be in cycle, should be in one shot. Then from there I click what? Activate. Because everything is okay, I click activate. We are shorting the market, remember, we are shorting the market. I click, we are buying current price. Okay, let it buy. Now you can see it is now running. So now we go back to the chart and we see what was our stop loss. Which coin impose? Jupiter. Okay, let us open it. It is here. We open it. Okay, this is it now. So my stop loss, when I click on this, it will show me the stop loss, or else I can draw a line. I put my line like this. Now this is my stop loss. Are you seeing it? It is 0.4655. I will get this number. I come back to my Royal Chu. I click this word close. Open it. Come here. On please enter the trigger price. Click there. Put the price, which is the stop loss. 4, then 5, 655. 655. All together. So when you put this number, come here and click 100%. When you click 100%, here they will show you how much you will lose in case we hit the stop loss. Now this is where my question comes in, or my advice comes in. If you see that this money that you are going to lose is half of the money you invested, run away. I come again. This shouldn't be a halfway of the money you invested. You invested $5, and now here on negative you are seeing 3. Can you imagine? That means the ratio is failing. If you get like 3 losses, your account will be reducing on higher speed. But trust me, if you keep using the blocker will not give you a negative of halfway of the money you invested. It is okay for me to lose 0.2 than losing my $2. Am I clear? How long can you take to make back the 0.2? Can you take even 1 hour if you want it? You cannot. Then meaning this loss is somehow okay. Are we together? Then from there you confirm. Instead of losing my $5, I'm losing 0.2. I've used $5 as my first buy. But if you have used your $20, it is okay. But please maintain the strategy. Now we confirm. We confirm. When you confirm, you will see the word cancel an order there. It means your stop loss is valid, is there. Even though now I go for, even if I go to dig now in the garden, I don't care because I have my stop loss. But for you, you will go to the garden while you don't have a stop loss, you will face it hot. You were having your 500, you'll find nothing because of being careless. You don't mind about your money. Remember, you suffered to make it, and now you want to lose it like nothing. That's why we are not progressing. We don't care. But if you care, the $100 on features can turn 1,000 of money. It's only that at times we are too greedy. We want $100 to make $50 every day. That means the risk is too high. You will not maintain. When you lose, you will lose it all. But if you can be able to minimize the losses, to minimize your leverages, high leverages that you are using, you can keep that money around. You can keep making money while the losses are very, very, very minimal altogether. So please, I really beg you, let us put it there, the stop loss. That's why we give you an idea. We give you the source, how we get your signals, such that when we are not available, go and do it. Get your own signal, trade it. Put your stop loss. Because we have showed you how to get your coin, how to put a stop loss. Okay? Now, that is how we put a stop loss. And I have showed you how to calculate your first buy. It is a matter of getting the number which will be on the first buy divided by the 5 that you will find there. What you get, multiply with the leverage. Then what you get, multiply with your first buy. What is your first buy? It is $10. Then multiply it there. What you get, it's what you will put here at the top here. And now you find people getting confused. Oh, I have used my $10, but now I'm seeing here I have there 30. How comes? How comes? This robot, as if it is not, is jamming. My God. You don't understand calculations. Okay? That is it. Okay? Have we all understood how to get the stop loss and how to press a signal? If yes, can I see the thumbs up? Thank you so much. Hey, thank you so much. So, I'm going to close this coin because I've seen, I think, the percentage will be very small. Yes, yeah. Because of the fair value gap that we are having in between here, let me not trust it. Let me not trust it. But we can look again at this coin and we see what is happening. You see what I told you? Let me even remove this one. Let me first cancel this. I want to close it completely. I close 100%, get out. Okay. Okay, it is out now. Now, I want you to show you the challenge. Why in the morning we missed out. Okay. Okay. Let me show you why you will always miss out. Because you are too speedy. Okay. We are going back to the coin called cake. I told you to wait. So if you just get into it, you are finished. You see now? It is in 16%. Now look. Look at it. Your blocks are no longer there. You get the point? Your blocks are no longer there because you never waited for market to close, we were on 1 hour. Are you seeing now what I told you? We had a blocker here. Patience pays. We had a block here. There was a block here. But it is no longer there. Why? The market passed through it. And it is still above it. That's why I told you, don't panic to enter after seeing the market touching into the block. Wait. If it is for buying, let the red close, let the green forward. Let the green follows there after red has closed. If we are shorting, let the green close, followed by red. And make sure the red is not closing. Closing where? Sorry. The red candle that will follow after green, it must be a red when we are shorting the market. Is that one hard? So avoid just entering when the market has just retested the what? The block. Like in the morning, the one I shared, it was not yet closed. That's why it kept doing what? It kept moving down. We were supposed to wait for that candle to close. Then the second one could give you the clear picture. Are we getting the point? So, don't rush. Take your time. Don't rush, take your time. Don't enter immediately. I think we are clear. Now, like here. Is this a block? This is my line, I think. That is a block. Now, when you look at this one touched into what? Into a block. But the next candle was green after touching the block. Don't panic to enter this. Don't panic to enter such a. We want this green candle to close within the block, followed by red. That is the best signal for you to enter. I repeat. I will repeat by showing you. I have no that time to repeat. This is what we mean. Market tested the block here with the green one, followed by red. Red closed. Then there you enter. You are good to go. You are good to go. But entering immediately after the green has closed, you are finished. You are finished, okay? We said we target 1%. Stop loss must be there. If you are targeting 2%, when the market is in a profit of 1%, shift your stop loss to the entry price and wait for your 2%. In that, you protect your money. In case of anything, you are losing nothing. I think maybe if you have questions, but me, I'm done. Me, I'm done. Is it okay now? Are we good to go, Mr. Fred Olanga?
Yes, Papa, we are good to go. Sure, we are good to go.
Yeah. So let us
Thank you
follow
so
that,
much for
guys.
the wonderful
You're welcome.
sharing.
Let us follow that. Surely it will protect our money than losing all the money. Can you imagine? It pains. Let's not. You know where you passed to get that money. Okay? So therefore, protect it. If you fear losing it, then concentrate on spot. Concentrate on spot. We are not forcing you to trade features. We are just giving you a knowledge. Features is not for the weak. You have to know that you are active. You are active. That is it, guys. and allow me to wish you the best of your day, and stay blessed, guys.
Thank you very much, Coach. God bless you.